In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment method in Activecampaign. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Activecampaign account and you are viewing the main dashboard. Adding or updating a payment method is handled inside your account settings, so you will not need to open any campaigns or contacts for this. First, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This area is where you manage account-level options, including billing and subscription details. Once settings opens, you will see a list of options along the left side. Next, in the left sidebar, click Billing. This takes you to the section where Activecampaign stores your plan information, invoices, and payment settings. If you manage billing for multiple workspaces, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account before making changes. At the top of the billing page, find and select the Payment Method tab. This tab is specifically for the payment source that Activecampaign uses for renewals and any charges tied to your subscription. Switching to this tab helps you avoid editing other billing details by mistake. Now click Add New Payment Method. If you already have a payment method on file, you may see an update option instead. Either choice will bring up a form where you can enter your new information. When you enter details, type carefully and double-check for common issues like incorrect card numbers, an expired date, or a billing address mismatch. If you are using PayPal, follow the prompts provided in the window to connect and confirm your PayPal details. After you have entered your credit card or PayPal information, review everything one last time for accuracy. This helps prevent failed payments later and reduces the chances of service interruptions. Finally, click Save. Once saved, Activecampaign will store the new payment method and use it for future billing. Give the page a moment to update and confirm that your new method appears as the active one. That covers everything you need to know.